Cecilia Dobbs-Walton, Public Affairs Specialist for the City of Biloxi. I'm here to deliver today's Be Prepared video report. This report is being recorded on Friday, April the 24th, 2020 at 3:45 in the afternoon. Today's numbers are in, and we are still seeing an increase in coronavirus cases statewide. The Mississippi State Department of Health reports 281 new cases since Thursday. The new statewide total is 5,434 total cases statewide. The department also reports 8 additional deaths for a statewide total of 209. However, in Harrison County, 5 new positive cases were received, making the total number of cases countywide as 157. A downward path is being seen in Harrison County for the past 11 days, as shown by this chart. In Jackson County, 7 additional positive COVID tests were received and 1 additional positive test was reported in Harrison County. No new deaths were reported in these 3 counties. The virus is still out there. Mayor Gillage is looking into plans and guidelines for opening up Biloxi again in a responsible manner. The mayor is reviewing Governor Reeves' Safer at Home order released this afternoon. Nothing changes at this moment. We must stay the course. For the city of Biloxi, Mayor Gillage has announced that on Monday, most employees will return back to work, working in the municipal buildings. All non-essential emergency buildings, however, will still be closed to foot traffic. Business can still be handled by phone, email, and online. Telephone numbers, email addresses, and online city services can be found on the city's website at biloxi.ms.us. While many are at home and are doing some spring cleaning, please remember to put trash and debris curbside away from mailboxes, poles, and low-hanging trees. Pelican Waste, the firm that handles trash pickup in Biloxi and most parts of Harrison County, is working today in Biloxi, west of Iberville Drive, and Saturday east of Iberville Drive. Remember, we are still dealing with a pandemic. Now is not the time to stop taking personal precautions. Your responsible actions are helping keep the virus in check. Don't be afraid or embarrassed to wear a mask. The Centers for Disease Control recommends some type of face covering when around others. Keep washing your hands often and avoid touching surfaces if possible when in public. Continue to practice social distancing and stay at home if you feel sick. Please remember to do your part to help stop the spread. That's our report today. On behalf of Mayor Gillage and the members of the Biloxi City Council, we say God bless you and God bless Biloxi. We leave you today with another special treat. It's a look at Biloxi's culture by the way of a popular, tasty treat. We'll see you here again tomorrow.
They really like, I call them a little fruit ball. I don't know, they have apples, oranges, lemon, sugar.
Spices.
Yeah, your cinnamon, your nutmeg, baking powder, and then you have your fruit that you grind up and you throw in there, put milk and you make a paste and then you fry it.
Deep fat fryer.
It is not very easy when you first learn it.
It's
Everybody that tries it says, that's it, I'll buy it. That's right.
Susie is our chartered member, one of our chartered members that's still with us. She still works every year. Her and her daughter, Julie Wade, makes all the glazing for us, which last year was about, I think I ordered 300 pounds of powdered sugar. And they have a special mixer that they use, and Susie signed the charter back in 1953, so we're going to have our 60th anniversary of being chartered soon. We got the most members after Katrina, when people wanted to hold on to their heritage, so we had a large influx of new members.
I'm French, but I was married to Steve Rodolfich, and he's of Yugoslav descent, and that's how I got into the club. We were married 30 years, so I picked up a few Slavonian habits along the way. I learned how to make pusheratas, The organizations meant a lot to me, especially since my husband passed away. The women really, they were there for me, and it's really been a great experience. They're a lot of fun to be with. We laugh, we cut up. You saw us in the kitchen.
The food is most important to us, as I'm sure it is to all other cultures, but when we have weddings, even funerals, we make the pusheratas as a delicacy because everybody down here loves them.
This past year we made 210 pounds and we sold 1,393 dozen pusheratas, which is a lot of pusheratas when you see how we fry them in the little fryers. We have a bunch of ladies that show up. It's like an assembly line. They cook them, they cool, we dip them, we let them cool again, we put them in the little wrappers and we box them, and they're pre-sold. We take orders in advance and people start picking them up about 9 o'clock in the morning. Actually, we started frying last year about 11 o'clock the day before. We got here at 9 the night before to set up for it, and I left about 2:45 last year. So all night, it's an all-night job. And we do it because it's the people's heritage. The people in Biloxi expect to have the pusheratas every year for Christmas, and that's what we do it for, is for the people of Biloxi.
It's a fun thing too. We have fun.
We have a lot of fun
A
at
get
Christmas
together,
time.
yeah.